हेलो गाइस। तो मैं फ़िलहाल यहाँ पहुँच चुका हूँ। आज 15 अगस्त का कार्यक्रम प्रोग्राम है यहाँ पे, वो देखने के लिए आया हूँ म्याऊं में। तो मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ लेके पूरी फैमिली को लेके आया हूँ। तो आज जैसे कि आप लोगों को दिखाई दे रहा होगा ये झांकी। तो आज मतलब पहली बार है यहाँ पे डिस्ट्रिक्ट चांगलांग म्याऊं में पहली बार मतलब झांकियों का प्रदर्शन कर रखा है। जैसे कि आपको पता है कि अरुणाचल में कई तरह के जनजाति रहते हैं, तो ट्राइब्स हैं यहाँ पे हर तरह के, तो उन सभी का झांकी का दिखा रखा है इधर इस बार। झांकी का आयोजन कर रखा है, तो हर तरह तरह की झांकी निकलेंगे। तो मैं आप लोग के साथ वीडियो को सुनहरे पल को शेयर करूँगा, तो आप लोग ज़रूर देखिएगा अंत तक का। कैसा लगा ज़रूर बताइएगा। थैंक यू। तो आगे चलते हैं हम लोग। आज़ादी के शुभ अवसर पर आज 15 अगस्त के शुभ अवसर पर म्याऊं में झांकियाँ रैली निकाली गई। झांकियाँ देखिए आप, झांकियाँ इधर झांकियाँ निकाली है, बढ़िया बढ़िया झांकियाँ। झांकी अंदर लेकिन कुछ वाला। तो आज गाइस ये देखिए, तो गाइस आपको दिखाई दे रहा है ये सिंहबुक कल्चर में यहाँ का ये झांकियाँ देखिए, बढ़िया बढ़िया झांकियाँ निकाल रखी है आज। झांकियाँ एक से एक बढ़िया बढ़िया झांकियाँ निकाल ना।
Designs a waistband, and a turban. The women's skirt is called bukang and bukang. On the back of our tabalu, the picture depicts the simple traditional musical instruments. On the back of the tabalu, one can see the pictures of various traditional musical instruments used at Manai Poi or other important. Everyone, a very happy 18th Independence Day. Thank you.
That was a beautiful presentation of the CP community hall, which teaches us that there should be no division in the family. The low doors teaches that bow down and be humble when we enter someone's home. And it is the lack of this great house that all our other traditions, weaving, farming, crafting, and our joyous Sapporo dance are born. The Tamsa Pangwa women wearing a symbol of self-reliance. At the front of the tableau, the Tamsa Pangwa women are seen on their traditional line boats weaving. They are adorned with their own hard-woven colorful attire, shawls, lungis and khalong. Each motif, each color combination woven into the fabric has a distinct meaning. जोरदार ताली एक बार पांगवा टेबुले के लिए, सुंदर प्रस्तुति के लिए पांगवा कम्युनिटी के लिए. Changlang district. They have also the community residing at Assam. The tablet representing the Tikak traditional hut, showcasing the different activities and cultural craftsmanship of the Tikaks and the tableau. एक बार जोरदार ताली देके तिखाक कम्युनिटी को एक बार स्वागत करेंगे. मंच की ओर आगे बढ़ रहा है हेड बाय एनसीसी कैडेट. Tikaks are one of the most beautiful music lovers, and they have the skill for playing the beautiful different rhythmic gongs in different ways. Tikaks are one of the finest gong players of the Tamsa community. This is a folk song of the Tikaks. Is one of the most important folk songs of the Tikak community, which is generally sung and demonstrated during the Mo festival of the Tikaks. All of Tamsas residing at Myong, Kharsang, Kimyong and Changlang circles of our district. In front of the truck we have the demonstration of the cap, the most prestigious cap of the Tamsa community and the Muglum community. The cap is the honor, the symbol of the Tamsa, depicting with the teeth of the wild boar and the tails of the hornbill. The Muglum community focusing the traditional attire, the traditional handicraft and the Muglum hut. This is the most important Momal dance of the Muslims. The rhythmic beat of the drums and the rhythmic dance of the both male and female dances, the Momar and Mono. The rhythmic beat of the drums echoes in the ears, representing the beautiful, the Momal festival. This was a so-called of the migration of the Bangchals and the tradition, culture and adaptation of the different generations. This is of migration of Bangchals, Bangchal Bangchals, of before when it started from the 8th century. The celebration is the most important annual festival of the Bangchals. The Sasai that is sung on the Mo festival is one of the most important Tibetan group demonstrating the beautiful culture and the famous yak dance you used to see. जो टोटली अपने डिविजन इस कल्चर ट्रिप के लिए they have been supporting, they have been participating in the national events along with us every year, especially in the Lisu Tableau.
Up next we have the Yobin Lisu tribe Tableau. The Yobin Lisu dance is a vibrant traditional performance of the Yobin Lisu community, primarily residing in the remote regional circles such as Bangladesh village of the Chamlang district in Arunachal Pradesh. It is prominently performed during social cultural gatherings and their traditional New Year festival, which we call it as Koshi Bai. A glimpse of the traditional Yobin Lisu dance performance during the festival celebrations performed during the New Year festival, community feasts, weddings, and to welcome honored guests. Dancers wear striking, colorful traditional hand-woven garments, embellished with beds and distinct regional patterns. The dance symbolizes unity, joy, gratitude for nature, and the preservation of indigenous heritage in the eastern frontier of India.
Ito yung pula siya. Chapal puri chapal ng ngomong aku juga nak dia.
Tabangulu of the chief
Chapal
used
puri
to
chapal ng ngomong kan.
also reflects
Aku juga
the
nak.
craftsmanship of the Disu community, the different crafts, and the showcasing the talent and the heritage. Itself reflects the beauty. Oh. Rhythmically showcasing their dance. The next tableau that is arriving is the Galo tribe, again in the central Arunachal Pradesh. Thank you.
Thank you once again, Nishi tribe. That was such a lovely presentation. We have up next Galo tribe, a beautiful tableau. The Galo tribe is one of the major indigenous communities in Arunachal Pradesh. They celebrate a multiple festivals. Their vibrant culture features distinctive handloom, weaving, folk songs, and traditional dances like Popir and Hirao. Many practice Doni Polo, a traditional belief system wherein the sun and the moon as divine forces. Women weave distinct black and white or modern green and white geometric patterns. Rice is a staple food. Rice beer, tofu or apong, and local dishes cooked in bamboo segments form an essential part of hospitality.
Mahon Sundar, the two old men crafting the Galo art and craft with the beautiful attire and small kids sitting in the veranda of the Galo house. Thank you very much for your beautiful and colorful presentation of the Galo tribe.
Thank you so much, Galo tribe. Thank you so much once again. Up next we have Apatani tableau.
Again, we are moving towards the western part of the Arunachal Pradesh. The Apatani community, one of the rich and culturally rich community of Arunachal Pradesh. The Apatanis of the Zero Valley.
प्यारे दर्शकों, up next we have Apatani tableau. Presenting before you is a tableau of Apatani tribe from Zero Valley, Lower Subansari district. Above the tableau called the Pyopa, along with Puijin, represents the traditional hat gear worn by the male members. The traditional pose seen here represents the female member called the Babo character during Myoko festival. The platform represents the lapang used by the priest or ngibu to perform traditional rituals, also used by the male members during community meetings. The model on the platform or lapang represents a priest or ngibu chanting a local hymn during Myoko festival, while the other male members is making a traditional bamboo basket, followed by a female member winnowing the rice. The white, red, and blue color wrapped around the tableau represents the bilang abi worn by the women folk during the tree festival. And now presenting before you pre-dance performed during tree festival. The Dree Festival is the largest agricultural festival of the Apatani tribe, celebrated every year in the Zero Valley of Lower Subansari district, Arunachal Pradesh. It is held to pray for a bountiful harvest, protect crops from pests, and ensure the overall prosperity and health of the community. Prayers and sacrificial offerings are made to deities such as Danya, Miti, Tamu, Mepin, and Meder to safeguard crops and human life. The platform represents the lapang used by the priest or ngibu to perform traditional rituals, also used by the male members during community meetings. The model on the platform or lapang represents a priest or ngibu chanting a local hymn during meal by the women folk during the Dree festival.
Thank you. जोरदार ताली अपातानी कम्युनिटी के लिए.
This is Apatani tableau.
मिर्ची सर. The next we have again, we move to the easternmost district of Arunachal Pradesh. The Banchos. The tabula Bancho is arriving here. जोरदार एक बार ताली इसका स्वागत के लिए.
Up next we have the Bancho tableau. The Bancho tribe lives in the Patkai hills of the Longding district in Arunachal Pradesh. Their rich culture features traditional wood carving, distinct face and body tattooing, a chieftain, social system, and vibrant communal dances centered around their main spring festival, Oria. Society is led by a heritage
Craft from the wooden craft. जोरदार ताली को Bancho tribe के लिए.
Up next we have a beautiful Adi tableau. The Adi tribe of Arunachal Pradesh possesses a rich cultural heritage rooted in deep harmony with nature, democratic village governance via the Kebang, and vibrant artistic expressions. Their traditions thrive through communal festivals, distinctive attire, and rhythmic folk dances that narrate ancestral history. Adi lives mostly in the Siang Hills, practicing wet rice and shifting, that is jhum cultivation, They are known for communal harmony, sharing locally brewed rice beer, apong, and hunted food during celebrations. Women are expert weavers, creating striking geometric patterns on traditional attire. Men craft distinct headgear using wild boar teeth and hornbill beaks.
The Adi table, representing the beautiful Adi traditional hut, the house of the Adis. Focusing the art and craft of the Adis. They are focusing the traditional way of making threads from the fresh cotton, which is one of the traditional knowledge of the tribal. This is the initial way how threads are prepared from the fresh cotton. The other women are one of the talented, very much interested in the art and craft. The locally made clothes, the traditional way, usually displayed in the fabric. The Adi Janjati अपने कल्चर के प्रति, अपने ट्रेडिशन के प्रति बहुत लगाव है, या अपने
The Adi tribe of Arunachal Pradesh performs vibrant and rhythmic traditional legends. Main purpose of this dance performed to pray for a rich harvest and community well-being.
Representing the traditional house of the Adis and the women folk, showcasing the traditional art and craft, the weaving of clothes in the traditional way, the ancient and initial stage of preparing the cotton thread from the fresh cotton has been displayed in the tableau. Thank you.
Up next we have Bangalore Samaj tableau.
We will just leave Arunachal Pradesh now and we will move towards the western, the Bengal. The Bengali Samaj tableau of सबके सामने. आज हम कैसे लग रहा है कि मियाओ में दुर्गा पूजा शुरू हो। आने वाला दुर्गा पूजा मियाओ में और शानदार होगा, ऐसा हम सबको महसूस हो रहा है। इस सुंदर पोशाक में पूरा बंगाल का दृश्य हम सबको यहाँ प्रस्तुत किया है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। खूब ভালো হয়েছে।
Once again, Bengali tableau, खूब भालो होते. Thank you so much. Once again, up next we have Assamese culture trio tableau.
हम सबके सामने, हम सबके करीब वाला राज्य, हम सब अरुणाचल को सबसे सामने वाला जो राज्य असम और असमी कल्चर, हम सबके सामने इस फैमिली का जो स्वागत करने के लिए एक बार जोरदार ताली।
This Assamese tableau represents the rich cultural heritage, traditions, devotions, and artistic spirit of Assam, beautifully presented through a decorated with traditional Assamese cultural elements such as banana plants, japi, gamusa, and other symbols of Assamese heritage. These elements represent the simple, colorful, and deeply rooted cultural identity of the Assamese people. The main body of the truck is showcasing a short scene from a Bhavana performance depicting a dramatic battle between the gods Devta and demons Asur. Bhavana is a traditional and religious art form of Assam. Bhavana was introduced by spiritual guru Srimanta Sankar Deva. On board the back side of the truck is representing the vibrant Bihu dance. Bihu is one of the most beloved cultural symbols of Assam. The dance, music, and traditional attire reflect the joy, youthfulness, unity, agricultural life, and colorful spirit of the Assamese people. The main body of the truck is showcasing a short scene from the dance, music, and traditional attire reflect the joy, youthfulness, unity, agricultural life, and colorful spirit of the Assamese people. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have the Bihu dance from Assam.
टेबुल में असमीज कल्चर, असमीज बिहू, सभी असमीज कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। बिहू बिहू लगी है।
Once again, thank you so much, Assamese. Assamese tableau, that was such a nice to watch. Thank you so much. Up next, we have a Pontai tableau. अगली संस्कृति मंडली है Pontai. The Pontais are one of the major sub-tribes of Tamsa community residing in Bodumsat area of Changlang district. The headgear in the tableau is called Longsong Kopok, that symbolizes bravery and high social status. The hornbill feather in the headgear represents the honor, nobility, and high rank. The wild boar tossed in the headgear signifies ferocity, strength, and protection from enemy. The traditional hut in the tableau is called Chem, that is constructed collectively and signifies the unity, stability, and constructive society of Pontai community. The red and white color around the tableau symbolizes the traditional attire of male dancers that represents the honesty and purity of Pontai community. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Pontai tableau.
हम सबके सामने पोंथाई जनजाति जो खासकर अंतर जनजाति नृत्य और कल्चर को प्रस्तुत करने के लिए यहाँ पहुँचा है, इसलिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इस पोंथाई जनजाति टीम के लिए। Next we would like to welcome one of the largest Samaj of our country, that is the Bhojpuri Samaj. जोरदार ताली भोजपुरी समाज के लिए। सब उत्तेजित है कि क्या दृश्य हम सबको यहाँ भोजपुरी समाज की ओर से यहाँ प्रस्तुत किया जाएगा।
Bhojpuri culture flourishing in parts of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh is deeply agrarian, vibrant and rooted in storytelling. Traditional Bhojpuri dances express community bonding, seasonal changes and deep emotional narratives like romantic longing and separation, accompanied by traditional instruments like the dholak, harmonium and flute.
भोजपुरी समाज का यह अलग अलग जो फेस्टिवल का दृश्य हम सबको देखने को मिलेगा इस कैबिनेट पर, जैसे कि धुनिया, नृत्य, छठ पूजा, होली, खासकर यहाँ हम सब भोजपुरी समाज को जानने का प्रयास करेंगे। तो इनका इतिहास नालंदा विश्वविद्यालय की ओर से यहाँ इस समाज का इतिहास जुड़ा हुआ है। टेबल के ऊपर हम लोग उनका जो गांव का जीवन का दृश्य यहाँ गाय के लिए चारा काटा जा रहा है, जो भोजपुरी समाज का गांव का जो दृश्य हम सबको टेबल में देखने को मौका मिल रहा है। जो मटका जो बना रहे हैं, मटका बनाना भोजपुरी समाज का बहुत बड़ा कला है और यह कला यहाँ इस नृत्य में यहाँ दृश्य में हम सबको देखने को मिल रहा है। गाँव की ओर से यहाँ गाँव को पानी साझने के लिए यहाँ कुआं का दृश्य भी हम सबको देखने को मिल रहा है। दुल्हन को ले जाते हुए दृश्य हम सबके सामने देखने को मिल रहा है और यहाँ होली का दृश्य भी हम सबको देखने को मिल रहा है।
In rural Bhojpuri culture, cutting block or green fodder, chara or ghass, for cows and cattle is a daily manner of the armed with traditional short sickle, akia or petu, a villager has to the field, train fresh grass.
The next we have, that is the Gorkha Samaj. Here comes the proud and historic Assam Rifles ex-Caribbean Specialist Family of Vijayanagar. विजयनगर को बचा के रखा है बाहर ताकतों से। Represented by the Gorkha family, country can found this so called the rich and traditional culture and heritage of our settlers. From the Gorkha, the Mizo, the Kutch, Rajbangshi, Garhwali and the Burman communities, we stand together as one family and many cultures and one heritage. ये विजयनगर की ओर से ये प्रस्तुतिकरण है। Our forefathers served the nation with courage and dedication. We continue to serve our community and protect the values and land identity of Vijayanagar. Proud of our roots and united to driven and service to our country. Jai Hind. हम सबके सामने विजयनगर की ओर से यह गोरखा समाज का ये टैबलू हम सबके सामने प्रस्तुत कर रहा है। मैं पढ़ना चाहता हूँ। आ रहे विजयनगर के गौरवशाली और ऐतिहासिक असम राइफल्स पूर्व सैनिक बसने वाले परिवार जो वर्ष 1967 से इस धरती का भिन्न हिस्सा रहा है। ये वीर पूर्व सैनिक उनके परिवार इस दुर्गम सीमांत समृद्ध परिवारों का साथ लेकर यह परिवार विजयनगर की अद्भुत संस्कृति विविधता का प्रतीक है।
Thank you so much, Durga. Up next, we have a very beautiful tableau celebrated and decorated with tree, with nest in it and beautiful flowers. We have Haryanvi tableau. चलिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां for Haryanvi tableau.
हम सबको एक सुंदर प्रदेश हरियाणा की ओर ले जाते हुए यह टैबलू, हरियाणी समाज बहुत ही सुंदर टैबलू, एक अच्छा थीम लेते हुए, एक अच्छा उद्देश्य लेते हुए टैबलू
हेलो
बना हुआ
गाइस,
है।
तो फिर आज जो है 15 अगस्त का स्वतंत्र दिवस का जो है प्रोग्राम जो है ये यहीं पे समाप्त होता है। ये लास्ट झांकी है। तो इस बार जो प्रोग्राम किया गया था यहाँ म्याऊं में, तो मुझे तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा क्योंकि झांकियों का प्रोग्राम था जो पहली बार हुआ है, ये इधर म्याऊं में पहली बार हुआ। झांकियाँ हर टाइप्स की झांकियाँ निकाली गई थी, काफ़ी अच्छा लगा, काफ़ी आनंद दिया और काफ़ी भीड़ भाड़ भी काफ़ी था। इतना मैंने भीड़ भाड़ कभी इससे पहले नहीं देखा, तो इस बार भी भीड़ काफ़ी था। तो आप लोग जरूर देखिएगा और देखने के बाद जरूर बताइएगा कैसा लगा। अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करिएगा, कमेंट्स करिएगा और जो मेरे चैनल में नए आए हैं उनसे मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि वो सब्सक्राइब करिए। तो अगली वीडियो में ज़रूर मिलूँगा। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।